You are about to learn one of my favorite shuffle dance kick spins in just a few minutes. So this is the spin you're going to be learning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Obviously, little running man on the front, little running man on the back to prepare. I'm going to teach facing the back. That way you can follow along exactly which leg I'm lifting and using. I'm going to teach you spinning to your right side. So when you are done learning this, go back and follow all the instructions, but on your left side. All right. Just for time's sake, we're going to do one side today. So you're going to start off with some running mans just to get into the momentum. So the first thing you're going to do for 1 and 2 and you're going to drop into your first running man on your right side. You're going to go 1 and 2 on your left and. All right. From here, we're going to do actually a little bit of practice and prep before we go into the actual rotation. So you're going to hop open on 3. Both feet are going to open. They're going to plant. Knees are facing forward, nice and bent, a little hinge at the hips. I like to even send my hands open as well. This is going to prepare us to shoot back up and get ready for the kick. Now we're going to be spinning over the right side, but we're going to be kicking our left leg. So it's going to be the left leg comes and crosses over as we spin to the right side. Okay. When you're doing that kick, we'll talk about that really quickly. You are going to want to come from a perch position. Speaking of the kicking leg, you're going to want to kick it nice and sharp on a down diagonal with your heel flexed. You could choose to point it as well. For today, we're going to do it flex, and you're going to want to pull it back up into a nice clean perch position. So practice that for a moment. Up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So from this position here, we are actually going to pick up into that perch by sliding our right foot underneath us. It's a slight hop, and we're going to pick up the left knee into perch here. Now we're going to prepare for that spin. Again, we're not going to rotate yet. We're going to do what we just practiced. You're going to hinge into the hips and bend on the right knee as your left foot extends forward on that heel for your kick. So you're going to kick, and then you're going to pull back up, straightening the base knee as well as pulling your knee up into perch. Okay, the left knee comes back up into perch. Going over what we just did, we have 2 running mans starting on our right leg. 1 and 2 and. We're going to hop open into our side jack for 3 into our prep position. Then we're going to pull our left knee up, right leg slides up under us, and. So this is 3 and. It happens quickly. It's a ricochet. From here, the kick on the left foot, we bend down 4, we pull up and then from this point, when we actually do the spin, we'll have already rotated around. So we're going to drop our left leg down now to start our running man and come out of this. And you can running man however many times you want. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8 just to round off the combo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's going to feel like this. Again, no spinning yet. We'll get to the spin in a second. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open 1, pull up and 2, pull up and prep 3, pull up and kick 4, pull up and running man and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Alrighty, so replay that a few times if you need to understand which leg's going up, which leg's going down. When you're ready, we're going to add the actual rotation. Okay, so from this point, when we are here, this happens on 3. Don't stress about the counts right now. Let's just get that spin. When you pull up into your first perch where the left leg is getting prepared to kick, you're going to immediately start rotating over your right shoulder and aim for your back right diagonal like this. 3, as I pull up, I'm going to start rotating and. Okay, I almost did a full 180-degree rotation. Doesn't totally matter, but we want to get you somewhere facing the back because you're going to use that momentum now. This is where we're going to do our kick down and our pull up, and you're going to use that kick as the final hurrah to get you over your shoulder the entire rest of the way to then face the front. Okay, so this is 1 and 2 and. Prep 3, pull up and start rotating. And now we're gonna drop, keep that core tight, that way you don't fall. We're gonna drop this foot down. It's gonna be hard to rotate right now, don't worry about it. Down as we start rotating more over our right shoulder. 4, and on this last, I want you to pretend that there's a string pulling up your knee. Come up and finish the rotation, and now we can just rock out our running mans wherever you land. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it a little bit faster. Again, go back and look at that again if you need to. So we have running man 1, and 2, and we're getting ready for our prep here. 3, we're gonna start rotating over our shoulder, and notice you wanna keep spinning, that's okay. Drop down. 4, pull that knee up, and running man it out. 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it a little bit faster. No stopping, no chit-chatting through it, just letting the momentum actually take you. Make sure to keep your core tight. Make sure you're keeping everything under your center of gravity. Don't step out to here. Keep it nice and small. Pop, 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 right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Prep. 3. Spin. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. It happens quick. It happens quick. Let's do it one more time. Then I'll do it with you facing the front. That way we can see it, do it all together, and then you can keep practicing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Prep. 3. Kick. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll notice I over rotate quite a bit, and that's completely okay. It doesn't matter if you finish your final running mans and you're over to the diagonal. Doesn't matter if you end up facing the back again. That's totally cool. Trust your momentum and allow yourself to just move with the amount of strength and power that you're organically putting into the spin. All right, last and final time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2. Prep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you subscribe. Go follow Shuffle Shred on Instagram for more tips on how to be a powerful shuffler, have a confident mindset, and show up completely uniquely in shuffle dance.